Assalamu alaikum students, this is me Sana Uruj, and in this video we will discuss question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7 of exercise number 1. Question number 5, list the members of the union of each pair of sets. Example number 1, ACD, ABCD. First set has 3 elements and the second has 4 elements. You know what we do in the union of set? We write all the elements of first set and second set in the union of set, but we don't repeat any element. I have A in the first set and in the second set as well. I will write A only one time. I have B in the second set. I will write B in the union of set. I have C in both of the set. I will write C only one time. I have D in the both sets. I will write D only one time. A, B, C, D is the union of these two sets. Example number 2, 3, 8, 4. I have 3 elements in the first set and 5. This is a null set. When we will take union of two sets, one is empty set and the one has 3 members or 2 members or 5 members, I will write the set as it is, which has members, which is not empty set. 3, 8, 4 is not an empty set. I will write union of set 3, 8, 4 because 5 is the part of every set. Question number 6. Let U is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, ... 9. It's mean we have elements in this U set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the meaning of U? U is the universal set and it contains all the elements of A, B, C and D. List each of the following sets. A union C. We have to find the value of A union C. We know that what is the value of A and what is the value of C. A is equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 union and C is equals to 1, 2, 3, 8. You know what is the method of finding A union C? We will write all the elements of A and all the elements of C, but we will not repeat any element of A and C. I have 0 in the set A. I will write in the union of set 0. I have 1 in the second set. I will write 1 in A union C. I have 2 in both of the set. I will write 2 only one time. I have 3 in the set C. I will write 3 in the union of set. I have 4 in the first set. I will write 4. I have 6 in the first set. I will write 6. I have 8 in both of the set. I will write 8 only one time. A union C is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. B intersection C. What is the method of finding the value of B intersection C? Firstly, we will write B 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 intersection C 1, 2, 3, 8. What is the meaning of intersection? We will write the common elements in between these two sets. I have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and 1, 2, 3, 8. These are the elements of the sets B and C. What are the common elements in between these two sets? 1 and 3. These are the common elements in these two sets. B intersection C is equals to 1, 3. Question number 7. If U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, U is the universal set and it contains all the elements of A and B. Find A complement. This is A complement. Question number 1 is A complement A bar. A complement is equals to U minus A. When we will take complement of anything, we subtract it from U. U is the universal set. A complement is equals to U minus A. A complement is equals to U is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will write the set of U minus 1, 2, 5, 7. This is the set of A. We will subtract these two sets. One is in the first bracket, one is in the second bracket. it will be cancel. 2 is in the second bracket and 2 is in the first bracket, it will be cancel. 3 is in the first bracket, I will write 3 in the complement of set. I don't have 3 in the second bracket. I have 4 in first bracket only, I will write 4 in the complement of set. I have 5 in both of the set, I will not write 5 in the complement of set, it will be cancel. I have 6 in the first bracket, I will write 6 in the complement of set. I have 7 in both of the set, I will not write 7 in the complement of set. A complement is equals to 3, 4, 6. This is the answer of A complement. Second example is A intersection B bracket complement. What is the formula? A intersection B complement is equals to U minus A intersection B. We know that for finding the complement of anything, we will subtract it from U. U is the universal set. For A intersection B, firstly we will find the value of A intersection B. A intersection B is equals to, I will write the set of A intersection set of B. A intersection B contains the common element between A and B. What are the common elements in these two sets? 1 and 7. These are the common elements. A intersection B is equals to 1, 7. Now we will find the value of A intersection B bracket complement. A intersection B bracket complement is equals to U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus A intersection B, which is equals to 1, 7. Now we will minus these two sets. I have 1 in the first bracket and 1 in the second bracket. I will not write 1 because it will be cancelled. I will write 2 because it is only in the first bracket. I will write 3, 4, 5, 6. I will not write 7 because it is in the first bracket and it is in the second bracket. It will be cancelled. Answer of this question is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A complement intersection B complement. A complement is equals to U minus A. We know the formula. A complement is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus 1, 2, 5, 7. We know that after subtraction we will get 3, 4, 6. A complement is equals to 3, 4, 6 because we have 1, 2, 5, 7 in both of the bracket. It will be cancelled. B complement is equals to U minus B. B complement is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus B is equals to 1, 3, 6, 7. What we will get? We will get after subtraction 2, 4, 5 because we have 1, 3, 6 and 7 in both of the bracket and it will be subtracted. B complement is equals to 2, 4, 5. A complement intersection B complement is equals to 3, 4, 6 intersection 2, 4, 5. What is intersection? In intersection of two sets, we write the common elements between two sets. 3, 4, 6 and 2, 4, 5 has one common element, which is 4. A complement intersection B complement is equals to 4. This is the answer of the question.